38, Surah Sad. This is a Makki Surah. It was revealed around the time of first Hijrah to Ebyssinia, about 5 years of Prophethood. It has 88 verses in 5 sections. The surah talks about the basic message of all the prophets and messengers of Allah. They came to preach Tawhid. The Prophet suffered and went through a lot of hardship in presenting Allah's message. Their enemies attacked them and persecuted them. But then finally, it was the truth that prevailed and falsehood was defeated. Power and riches all came from Allah. Some people become arrogant when they have power. But Allah gave the examples of David and Solomon, who were great prophets as well as powerful kings. They obey Allah. Their riches did not corrupt them. Introduction to the sections. Number 1. Warnings to the disbelievers. The arguments of the disbelievers against the Qur'an and the Prophet. The defeat of the disbelievers. Number 2. Remember Allah's servant Prophet David. Allah's blessing upon him. He was tested and he turned to Allah. Number 3. Allah's blessing upon Prophet Solomon. He was tested, but he repented and was forgiven by Allah. Number 4. Allah tested Prophet Job and he was rewarded for his patience. Remember Allah's servant Abraham, Isaac, Jacob, Ishmael, Elisha, and Zulkifl. The warnings of the wicked. Number 5. There is only one God. The great message. Allah created Adam, but Iblis became his enemy. He vowed to mislead human beings. Allah's curse upon him and upon those who follow him.